Sijui kusoma kizungu sana, lakini nang'ang'ana. Amen. My tribute to the mother of our children, Betty Bayo. How do I even begin to apologize, Betty? 13 years ago, in the middle of our daily Nairobi hustle, fate allowed our path to cross. I met this ever smiling, tiny, shy young girl whose gentleness could calm even the busiest of the days. We connect instantly, and within weeks, we couldn't imagine life apart. We would meet, visit each other, share stories about our dreams, and laugh about our struggle. I still remember the humble, small house you lived in, simple, warm, but full of hope. But even then, I could already see the big dream in your eyes. One evening, I invited you for a coffee in one of the biggest big hotel in the city, and the rest is history. I was looking for a wife, a companion, a partner, a dreamer, and that is why within just a few months, we are already living as husband and wife. Hey, kusoma hii kitu. Mungu anisaidie. We conceived our first child so quickly after knowing each other. And that moment changed everything. We realized life had become serious, and we stepped into it together. Before we knew it, we were parents of 2 charming babies. Every day when I look at our child, I see you. I see your face in our daughter, Beauty, and your spirit and her gentle way. I see myself in her boldness. In Danny, I see my face. In Danny, I see my face, but your personality, your softness, your humor, your warmth, that is what love does. It lives through children. It never dies. Even though our journey had its fair share of up and down, I know the love you had for our children spoke volume about how much I mattered in your life.